everybody. So I'm going to show you real fast when you get your Bino harness coming in. So we're going to ship these with the straps in the bucket itself. It's going to be in a little plastic bag. So I'm just going to quick show you how to attach these on, make sure that it's right. It's going to fit you the way it should. So basically, the way you know that the bottom is going to be these buckles. This is the bottom of the strap, and the top is going to be these little bitty connectors right there. So I'm going to do the bottom first. Make sure that the Kifaru logo is facing out. So if it goes on your back, it's going to be facing away. And this way you can just simply tell which one's left and right. Just put the Bino harness facing away from you, bottom down, and then just attach like this. So there's a split and it goes into this webbing right here. So it's pretty simple. Just fold maybe a little bit to get it on there, and boom. So make sure you're not twisting it, and then this one's coming out straight with no twists, and then you're good to attach just like so. Get it on there. Alright, so now, once those are on there, just move on to the top. It's super easy. Same thing, but with these little bitty ones, the split is going to be off to the side a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. It's not perfectly in the center. So when you put these on, it's easier if you go big side first. So I'm going to slide it on onto the big side of the split and then pull it over that little one. So on just like so. Again, no twist or anything. Make sure and put it on. So there it is, I got it on. A couple of things I want to talk about with the harness itself. We have 3 different slots that you can run the back strap through. And this is to help with different body types. If you got a thick neck or a skinny neck, vice versa, and you don't want it eating in. Sometimes with other companies and stuff, they'll eat in because there's no way to adjust this. With ours, you can move this piece into the next slot here. And you can just play around with this, see which one's more comfortable for you. And once you put it in there, just so it's not eating on your neck, it may be perfect the way it is, probably so. But any other features that I need to talk about real fast? We have, if you are getting the deluxe, it's going to ship with the rangefinder and the accessory pouch. Pretty simple to put these on. All you're going to do is they're Velcro onto the bottom of the pack. I just slide it on until the Velcro eats. Make sure, putting it on backwards. Make sure that once you get it on, the Velcro is actually touching. So just like so. So the Velcro is eating. You're good to go. Just reconnect your strap, and you're good to go.
Okay, you're not actually filming.
I am filming.
Oh shit.
It's fine. It's fine. Another thing is if you're a smaller individual and you have the standard strap and there's just a lot of excess straps, you can cut these. Just make sure you're burning the end, cut them. And then since we have this elastic, you can kind of roll it up under this elastic, and that will be what keeps it from doing anything else. Just make sure you burn it so it's not fraying. And that's pretty much it, guys. Once you get it, it's like 2 seconds to put this on and you're ready to rock. So just again, make sure the Kifaru logo is facing away, out towards the world, and that all the straps are not twisted and that they curve inwards, and it's on your back. And throw it on, try it out. If it's not comfortable, you can again play with these. There's a lot of adjustment in this harness system, so play around with it, see how it fits your body, and appreciate y'all watching this video. If there's anything else y'all want to know, you can email us at customer service, and we'll get back to you. Appreciate you.